Hi, my name is Poonam and I'm the project lead here at Change the Game. So let's explore this new platform a little bit. Here on the side we have some icons. I believe this is collapsible. You can click right here in the left corner and that will collapse down. And then we can go ahead and create a project so that we can get into navigating the new workspace. So we're going to create a project. We can name it CtG project. And I'm going to go ahead and press create. Great. So it's telling me here in my notification center that a new project was created, the CtG project. I'm going to go ahead and click off of that. So we have our sort of main menu. I'm going to collapse this. Here is the Explorer that used to be in the bottom left. This is where we can add data, look at our projects, and more. Here is the new query editor, and Google has added a feature where you can open more than one tab. So say I was editing something here, example, and then I wanted to write another query. I could do so here and sort of compare the two by clicking to and from the tabs. Here on the bottom you have your job history. It'll pull up anything that you've already run, your query history, and then if you want to save any of your queries, which you'll see the save buttons right here. So I'm going to click right here and I'm going to click add data. I'm going to press explore public data sets. Here we're going to type in FEC. It's public data and it's free to use. All right, let's get started. So I'm going to press view data set. Awesome, and then it came up here under BigQuery public data. Now that this public data set is here in my Explorer, there's all sorts of things that you can explore. We're going to type in FEC. And you'll find FEC here is one of the public data sets. It comes up, and you can click on any table. It'll open up in another tab here. We're going to X out of FEC and the editor, and it'll pull up the tab we're interested in. If you're trying to get rid of anything, you can just press X. You can see that BigQuery uses this little table symbol here to identify when it's a table, and when you're using a query, it's more of this magnifying glass with the bars. A cool feature in this query editor is being able to zoom into the actual query. You can do this by clicking in your query, and then similar to how you would zoom in on a page, you use 2 fingers to pull apart on your computer's touchpad, like this. All right, I like it right about here. Next, we're going to click Run. If you remember, this used to be below the query editor. Now it's on top. Once your data has loaded in a new panel, you'll be able to see it in query results down here. And you can also click here to drag this up to make the query results a little bit more viewable. Great, you can also save these results. You can look in your job history. You can click on query history and see that I ran a different query on February 4th. All right, I think that's it for now.